Troubleshooting printer paper pickup issues for HP DeskJet 2700 and DeskJet Plus 4100 printer series. If your printer doesn't pick up or feed paper, follow these troubleshooting steps. Reminder: paper feed issues might be the result of using damaged, bent, or dusty paper. If the paper needs to be replaced, use only HP genuine printer paper that has been stored in a cool and dry place. Remove the paper stack from the input tray and examine it. Fan the top edge of the stack away from you and remove any damaged paper from the stack. Check for obstructions inside the input tray area to make sure that nothing blocks the paper from engaging with the rollers. Using both hands, hold the stack of paper and then tap the bottom edge of the stack on a flat surface so that the stack is even on all sides. Gently load the stack of paper into the input tray, and then slide in the paper width guide to just touch the edge of the paper. Go ahead and try to print a document. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Over time, dust, paper fiber, and other debris might accumulate on the device and cause issues. The solution is to clean the rollers inside your printer. You will need a long, lint-free cotton swab, distilled or bottled water, and a flashlight. First, turn off the printer. Then, disconnect the power cord and any other cables. Warning: you must unplug the power cord to move the carriage by hand and reset the paper feed mechanism without the risk of injury or damage to the printer. Lightly dampen a cotton swab with water and squeeze any excess liquid from the swab. Now raise the printer input tray. Lift and hold the input tray shield. Using a flashlight, look down through the open input tray area. Locate the gray paper pick rollers. Run the dampened cotton swab along the length of the first roller. Slightly rotate the roller with the swab to reveal more surface area and clean the exposed area. Continue this process for both of the paper pick rollers. When complete, lower the input tray shield. Wait 10 minutes for the rollers to completely dry. Plug the power cord back into its power source, preferably a wall outlet. Reconnect the power cord and any other cables into the printer. Turn on the printer and print another document. If the error persists, contact HP for service and warranty options.